But one thing about me do when me cook, plate of empty, finger flick off. It's me that talk about. I'm showing you what me that talk. Look how the turkey neck, them juicy. Pan a big one here. I'm showing you when me done cooking, okay? And I don't season it up yet and nice it up. Just wait till me done cook. I'm showing you. So another thing, guys. My Dutch pot now, I have this Dutch pot not for the longest time, but the side them of them color, and so no matter how I use the steel wool, I still have this. So I'm going to show you what I do my turkey neck and thing. But still, I really want to find out what I can soak in to get the color off, because I feel like a grease and it can remove. I want it to be pretty again. So give me advice and stuff. And this whole video just going to be like one small cooking video plus whatever I did I show you. So guys, I just add some oil to the pot and I go do it like I do mine like how I do what you call it, oxtail. So I just fry up mine and then I lock it down, make it ketchup water by itself. So and then make it water by itself. I put my that hot right now, I cannot turn it on, but make that it look ugly, man. My camera make it look ugly, but maybe I need to turn on this flash. But anyways, I do that and then I cover it up and make it one gravy and stuff. You see my pot cover pretty, but the pot ugly. Rain is falling, my baby is all alone. Okay, I think I shown already how me do everything. I show how I cook turkey and curry on the channel here now. I show how I do already. But anyways, nevertheless.
Hey baby, love coming at you. So you better be prepared. Newfound love is like a brand new toy. It fills you up, you wanna burst with joy.
You know what is best? I gotta just show you one little snippet of what it look like when I do all of this. Then you can see what's up. So guys, I just added some water to my turkey neck. Sorry it's shaky, I'm take it off of the selfie stick or whatever. But anyways, when you have one baby, you need to make them watch baby bones. But you have to come in here to the little girl here. Ari? Ari? So anyways, all I did was I added some water to the turkey neck now for cook down. I always hear people say, you know, you can pressure cook turkey neck, but people pressure cook turkey neck and give me before and it's still raw. It cooking up, but it is raw. Best way for me is to slow cook it and just eventually add my seasoning them as well. So now we are going to just make it boil and make it steam and cook and all of that till it's soft. And then we are going to add in my vegetable and stuff. Basically, a lot of people mix the vegetable with it before and just add water under that, because my mother put garlic in the water to help soften the meat or something. But I don't always do it. I'm not doing it today. So I just make it produce its own water and then I add water to it. I figure say it cook faster that way. And I just add water to it, right? So I just finish cut up the vegetable and add to it and put it down. and then when the time come I add it to it. Okay, so I'll check in later. Alright guys, so I have scallion, onion, thyme. I always like rocky, tomatoes. Trust me, you add hot pepper. No put that in here and it don't boil out. This is half a pepper. Each food go well hot. Carrot, potato, banana, garlic, and some people like to add ginger, pimento seed. I don't have any of that right now, so I'm gonna use ginger by the way in a curry. But I'm not pimento seed right now. But this is what we're working with today. Okay. I don't know this part. I want to don't cook nice and look nice and all of that. So me talk about make my pot, guys, my pot. And then not even look like the camera, they make it look ugly. I'm not even gonna lie. Them brown and pretty. Look at that. I wish I could show you guys how pretty this is. Wow. This is nice. Look around the sofa. So my meat is finally soft, right? I'm still juicy though. My meat is finally soft. I'm gonna test it by the user spoon. See, that's half a knife. Meat just a come off of the bone. Right. See there? Alright, so at this point now, we're gonna add in with veggies. So all our veggies. We're gonna throw a little water in our plate. For rinse out whatever seasoning and veggies wanna come out, plus we add to the pot so that we veggies can cook down. Alright, that was not a lot, but it's good enough. Alright, next thing now we just rub in with veggies. Rub in and rub in. We need a little more water. Okay, so at this point I just added some more water. Sure. And I add like a original barbecue sauce right here because me start use that recently and it really tastes good. I can turn up the stove. So I started using that and it tastes really good as a mixture. You can try it if you like. And a little bit of ketchup, right? So as I said, never have no pimento seed, but pimento seed adds a lot of flavor. My thyme and onion and all of that smells so good and it adds flavor, everything. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna leave this. I'm gonna leave it and make it simmer. I'm gonna make the vegetables and cook down and the gravy thicken. And then when that happens now, you know that my turkey neck will be ready. And then I'm going to cook some rice, some white rice. So I don't tell us I cook white rice, I cook other things, but today are rice, baby. All of them I cook curry chicken and breadfruit, but today rice, my baby. Alright, so most of my gravy gone because I did something when girl freaking lay down in her bed before she come check her pot. Listen, don't be like me, you know. You'll see it when I done share roti in the plate. See inside? So guys, I just used Maggi seasoning and easy spice for those who didn't see because it is a continuation of the video. I throw some macaroni in there and make them cook, but anyway, we eat late last night and I remember the video. So, I eat now for my breakfast again. Thanks for watching. Tappy nice. Okay, bye.